In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your CMS collections in Webflow, specifically focusing on deleting all the items within a collection. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to refresh your content or simply start from a clean slate. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, you're going to want to navigate over to the CMS panel within the Webflow Designer interface. This is where all your collections and items are organized, making it a central hub for all your content management needs. Once you're in the CMS panel, you'll see a list of the collections you've set up. Click on the collection that you intend to delete items from. It's important to ensure you've selected the correct collection to avoid any unintended deletions. After you've selected your collection, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the items you'll be deleting. Accidental deletions can be a hassle, so confirming that this is the correct collection to work on is vital. Next, you'll see a button labeled Select at the top right corner of the collection items list. Click that button to initiate the selection process. Once clicked, this should give you the option to tick a box next to Name. Ticking this box will automatically select all the items contained within your chosen collection. This is a fantastic feature as it saves you from having to manually select each item one by one, which would be time-consuming, especially in larger collections. With all the items selected, you're now ready to delete them. Look for the Delete button, which should now be highlighted to indicate that items are selected and ready for deletion. Go ahead and click the Delete button. Before the deletion is finalized, Webflow will prompt you to confirm your decision. This confirmation step is crucial as it gives you a last opportunity to review your actions and ensure that you're deleting the correct items. Carefully read the confirmation message that appears. If this is indeed what you want to do, go ahead and confirm the deletion. By following these steps, you'll have efficiently removed all items from the selected collection. This method is both time-saving and ensures accuracy, providing a straightforward way to manage your collections in Webflow. It's a useful skill to have when maintaining your website's content, allowing you to update and refresh your site quickly as your content needs evolve. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully managed your Webflow collections. Remember, regular maintenance and organization of your CMS not only helps keep your site content relevant, but also improves your workflow efficiency. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your Webflow experience.